In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean professional logo onto any PDF and save it properly. First, open your document in DocHub. If your file is already in your DocHub dashboard, simply click it to open. If it isn't there yet, upload it from your computer so it appears in your list. Give the document a moment to load so all editing tools are available. This ensures the image feature works smoothly when you add your logo. Next, look for the image tool on the toolbar. It typically looks like a small picture icon. Click it and DocHub will open a file selector so you can choose the image you want to insert. If you don't see the toolbar, hover near the top of the page or expand the editor so the controls are visible. Now upload your logo. Click Upload and select your logo file from your computer. DocHub supports PNG, JPG, and GIF files. PNG is usually the best choice if your logo has transparency, like when you want it to float cleanly over a colored header or photo. Once selected, DocHub will insert the logo directly onto your page, usually in a default position, ready for you to move in size. Position your logo exactly where you want it. Click and drag the image to your preferred location, such as the top left corner or inside a header area. To resize without distortion, drag from a corner handle rather than the sides. This maintains the correct proportions so your logo doesn't look stretched. Aim for a size that's visible but not overwhelming, large enough to be legible, small enough to leave room for your content. If the logo looks fuzzy, try using a higher resolution file. If it looks too heavy on the page, consider a version with more white space around it or a transparent background. When you're happy with the placement and size, save your changes. Click Done or Save to keep the logo in your PDF. This commits your edits to the document. After saving, you can download the updated PDF to your computer, share it, or keep it stored in DocHub for future use. If you spot anything you'd like to tweak, reopen the file and adjust the image position or size, then save again. That's all it takes to add a polished logo in DocHub. Open, insert, position, and save.